Hello, boys and girls. I am Miss Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. Today, we were going to be reviewing patterns. Remember, a pattern is something that is arranged following a rule. So first, you have a rule or a little clue that tells you in what order the rest of the pattern is going to go. Today, the pattern that we're going to be looking at is the AABB pattern. And here we have two examples of the AABB pattern. Remember, with the AABB pattern, you also use two different colors, but you're going to use the first color 2 times and then the second color 2 times, like in this example. So here we have 2 reds, 2 blues, 2 reds, and 2 blues. Or you can also say red, red, blue, blue, red, red, blue, blue. Here's another example where we're using the 2 different colors of red and yellow. But we're using the red 2 times first, and then the yellow 2 times. It comes after the reds, okay? So you can say 2 reds, 2 yellows, 2 reds, 2 yellows, or red, red, yellow, yellow, which is the rule, and then red, red, yellow, yellow. And if we continue it, it'll be red, red, yellow, yellow, and so on and so on. Okay, so that's what we're going to be reviewing again, the AAB pattern, and then we're going to do an activity, and then I'm going to show you your homework, okay? Let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to practice doing our AABB patterns. Here we have 2 different ones. We're going to start with this one first. So here, this is red is for A and yellow is for B. So this will be A, B, B. Or we can say red, red, yellow, yellow, or 2 reds and 2 yellows. This is our rule, our clue. So now we have to finish the pattern. So we have red, red, yellow, yellow. What do you think it's next? Would it be red or yellow next? Or would it be green or blue? Green or blue are not next, right? Because we don't have any greens or blues up here. So we're not going to use green or blue. So it has to be between red and yellow. Red, red, yellow, yellow. What's next? Red. And it'll be how many reds? 1 or 2? 2 reds, because our rule tells us you need 2 reds. Red, red, yellow, yellow, red, red. What's next? This gives us a clue. It's yellow, yellow. Good job. Okay, let's read it together. Red, red, yellow, yellow, red, red, yellow, yellow. Or 2 reds, 2 yellows, 2 reds, 2 yellows. Good job. Let's move on to our next AABB pattern. On this one, we're going to have green, green, blue, blue. Or 2 greens followed by 2 blues. This is our rule. This is our clue. And now we have to finish the pattern. So green, green, blue, blue. What do you think it's next? Is it red, red, yellow, yellow, green, green, or blue, blue? So green, green, blue, blue. What's next? If you said green, green, you are correct. Okay, so we have green, green, blue, blue, green, green. What's next? Is it going to be red, red, or blue, blue? Blue, blue, right? There's no red over here, so it's going to be blue, blue. Okay, good job. Let's do it together. Let's read this AABB pattern together. Green, green, blue, blue, green, green, blue, blue. Good job. All right, let's go over your homework now. Okay, boys and girls, for our homework, we are going to continue practicing our AABB patterns. And today you're going to have 3 Google slides. So 1, 2, and 3 Google slides that you're going to do. Here you will find the rule or the order of our pattern. And here's a circle that you're going to move to whatever you think is next. If you think this one's next, you're going to put the circle here. Or if you think this one's next, you're going to put the circle over here. So let's work on this one together. All right? So here's a rule. So it's a purple tractor, green tractor, purple tractor, and I don't know what goes next. It's either going to be a green tractor or a purple tractor. Remember, this is an AABB pattern. So that means that we need two purples, then two greens. So here we should have what? One green or one purple? One more purple. It should be another purple, right? Because then we're going to have purple, purple, green, green, purple, purple, right? Our rule helps us. So take a look at our rule so that you'll be able to finish up the pattern. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And remember, all this week we learned about AAB patterns and we reviewed the AAB pattern. We reviewed the patterns because they're very important. First of all, because patterns are all over. We can find them in our house, our school, in books, sometimes even. And now that you know about patterns, you need to start to try to identify them. And like I told you before, patterns also help you make predictions. Predictions means guess. It helps you make good guesses of what you think might come next. And these are all very important skills for you to have because it's going to help you as you grow up. Okay. So it's going to help you in school and then it's going to help you in your house and at your job when you grow up. Okay. So I hope you have fun with your homework and I can't wait to see your answers and I'll see you here next week. All right, bye bye.